Hey, the future business leaders, welcome back to Startup Growth Hub, where we turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Today, we are diving into a topic that can make or break your business: money management. I'll be sharing 10 most common financial mistakes new entrepreneurs make, and more importantly, how to fix them. This is not just theory, these are insights drawn from real world experiences. So grab a notebook because this could save you from costly errors down the road. Number 1, confusing revenue with profit. Let's start with a classic mistake, thinking revenue equals profit. You might see a lot of money coming in, but that doesn't mean you are making money. Your expenses, rent, salaries, inventory, marketing eat into that revenue. Here is how to fix it. Keep a close eye on your profit margins. Use tools like profit and loss statement to get a clear picture. If you're not earning more than you are spending, it's time to reevaluate your pricing or cut unnecessary costs. Number 2, not having a budget. Many entrepreneurs launch their businesses with no clear budget in place. It's like trying to drive to an unknown destination without a map. You will waste time, energy, and money. Create a budget that accounts for fixed costs like rent and salaries, variable costs like utilities and supplies, and a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Free tools are there like Google Sheets or apps like Mint can make budgeting a breeze. Number 3, neglecting cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. You could be profitable on paper but still struggle to pay bills if cash is not flowing when you need it. So, set up a weekly cash flow tracker. Monitor when money comes in and when it goes out. For example, if clients are slow to pay, consider offering discounts for early payments or using invoice factoring to speed up cash inflow. Number 4, overestimating sales projections. Optimism is a great trait for business, but overestimating sales can lead to overspending or underdelivering. It's a slippery slope to financial trouble. Fix this by starting with conservative sales estimates. Use historical data if you have it or industry benchmarks to guide your projections. Always prepare for a worst case scenario and have a plan B. Number 5, not separating personal and business finances. This is one of the most dangerous mistakes. Mixing personal and business finances not only makes accounting a nightmare, but can also land you in a legal trouble. Open a separate business bank account as soon as you start. This will make tracking expenses easier and help you build business credit. Pay yourself a modest salary, even if it is just to cover your basic needs. Number 6, ignoring tax planning. Taxes can sneak up on you, especially if you are new to entrepreneurship. Without proper planning, you might end up owing more than you can pay, leading to penalties and stress also. Start by consulting a tax advisor to understand your obligations. Set aside a percentage of your income for taxes every month. There are tools like QuickBooks or Wave which can help automate tax calculations also. Number 7, overspending on office space or tools. It's tempting to lease a fancy office or buy premium tools to look the part, but this can drain your finances very quickly. In your early stages, every penny counts. So stick to a lean model. Use co-working spaces instead of leasing an office. Opt for free or low-cost software alternatives. Once your business grows, you can upgrade, but focus on essentials first. Number 8, underestimating emergency funds. Every entrepreneur faces unexpected challenges, whether it is a sudden drop in sales or equipment breakdown or an unforeseen market shift. Without an emergency fund, you could be in trouble. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of operating expenses. This safety net can give you a breathing room and prevent rash decisions when times get tough. Number 9, taking on debt without a repayment plan. Debt can be a double-edged sword. While it can help you scale, it can also bury your business if not managed properly. Many entrepreneurs take on loans without a clear repayment strategy, which leads to financial strain. So what to do? Only borrow what you truly need and make sure your repayment plan aligns with your cash flow. Tools like amortization calculators can help you plan repayments very effectively. Number 10, skipping financial education. If you don't understand your finances, you are essentially flying blind. Many entrepreneurs rely solely on accountants or advisors, which is fine, but you need to have a basic grasp of the numbers yourself. Dedicate time to learn the basics of financial management. Read books, take online courses, or join my free course to deepen your knowledge. The more you understand, the better decisions you will make. There you have it, the 10 biggest money mistakes new entrepreneurs make and how to fix them. Avoiding these pitfalls can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress, setting your business up for long-term success. If you want to dive deeper into these topics, join my free course. It's packed with value, live webinars, one-on-one coaching sessions, workshops, and access to a vibrant community of like-minded entrepreneurs. The best part? It's completely free. Click the link in the description to sign up. Let's build your dream business together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Startup Growth Hub, and share it with a fellow entrepreneur. See you in the next video. Thank you.